How do you know it's not a he?
That's still recharging.
Don't mean he's less of a bitch.
This place will serve as your
That's fair.
tomb.
That spell isn't I can't cast that. That's still recharging. That spell isn't That's still recharging. That spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that. That's still recharging. That spell isn't ready yet.
That may have a dash on the
That's still recharging. I can't cast that.
Nope, he used it
That's still
immediately.
recharging.
Dashing out now.
That spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that yet.
Rise, minions! Devour!
It's on Huey. You can bop
That
yourself,
spell
right, Huey?
isn't ready yet.
Yeah. He's
That's still recharging. I
and
can't
run it.
cast that yet.
Nice.
That spell isn't ready yet.
It's on Eleanor. Oh, you got boots too,
Okay,
don't
bubble
you?
yourself.
That's actually perfect.
That is actually.
Bubble redirects it. You cannot do that because it
Yep,
just
no,
swapped
that
back
was
over
I
to
can't
tie.
cast that yet.
It's fine though.
If you want to just kite it, Tormag, you
That
should
is still
reemerge
recharging.
in 4 seconds.
Fuck this up.
4. Yep.
We're good. Yep, we're good. He's reemerging. It's gonna be a little weird
I
positioning
can't
himself.
cast
Just
that yet. That's still recharging.
there we go.
That spell isn't ready yet. That's still recharging. That spell isn't I can't cast that.
Add some 4 seconds. Just got 30 seconds for 7%.
That's
Doing good.
still recharging. That spell isn't ready.
Hero.
Overtake you!
That's still recharging.
Freezing Slash is available. Just went out.
I can't cast that.
Another soul to Satan.
That's still recharging. That spell isn't
Freezing Slash available. You ready for it? Ads are down. We're gonna kill this next set of ads, and then we're gonna let the set after burrow.
That's still recharging.
Keep leaving these ads down.
Another soul.
Freezing Slash available in 2. Can somebody put a wound poison or aim shot up because Ash is down, or can we get Ash out? Freezing Slash just went out. Okay, Ash is back up. Can you get that aim shot back in? Kill the ads. Got 7 seconds on the next set. Gonna let this next set burrow.
I can't cast that. That spell
Kill Eleanor's ads.
Another soul
They need to die.
Satan.
Freezing Slash is available. Okay, we're letting this set burrow. All DPS focus the boss.
They need to get to 80% health.
Did not know that, so just keep it going.
I need more mana.
Freezing Slash is still available.
That spell is
500k, 500,000. Come on. 300. There's Freezing Slash. Kill him. Good job.
charging.
I don't know
Yeah,
what happened to the
but-
penetrating cold, but you guys broke it.
Yeah, so we were able to power through that before the other ads spawned. But yeah, the ads will only want to burrow if they've hit 80% health.
Did not know
That
that.
spell isn't
Yep.
ready yet.
Yep, so you want to tank them just off the
mana is
ice
low.
right near the boss to cleave.
Did not know that. Thank you for saying. We know
Yeah,
for next
but
time.
we-
Either way.
We did it
47.
anyway.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, guys,
Yep.
we're going to Ulduar. We are going to go do Algalon, Thorum,
I have a
Bez-
wormhole.
Zach.
Wormhole.
Yeah,
Yep.
I got.
the whole.
3 conks.
We got like only
3
5 bosses.
conk? What the fuck? Okay.
We only got like 5 bosses we're going to be doing in there, so.
Congrats, Ariali.
Sounds like a great day to be me and Eleanor.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I mean,
What's that?
100%
Seriously.
okay with you all getting fucking gear.
Conquer, Vank. Okay.
It's like a great day for a
Ooh,
warlock.
there's a Vank in
Or
there?
4.
Yeah, there's a Vank.
Why did I not put... Oh, I put the normal chest up there. I didn't put the regalia.
That still be
So I
charging.
put both up there and it still didn't show
I
it.
have
I
Silverwing
can't
Defender.
trust
on my
that.
head.
That's a
That
nice
still
read.
be charging.
Pretty sure it only
Yeah,
takes
I'm
the first
double-checking
5
my
people.
list
Does
now.
That
it
spell
not?
isn't ready yet.
Doesn't
What, wormhole?
Oh yeah, that
No,
may
the
be
gu-
true,
the-
actually.
gargle or whatever the loot is? A gargle.
Oh, gargle.
I thought it only took up to
Because
5.
there's Like 400 names on the list. It's
Right.
I mean, it-
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
shows up.
Alright,
I'm
I
not
just
sh-
didn't know because I listed the I actually listed the tier piece itself, not